Welcome back to my another video. Our today's topic, how to install WoodMart e-commerce theme. WoodMart is a premium theme, which means it needs to be purchased to build your shopping store. If you're interested in buying it, please check the link in our description. Now, let's begin the installation process for the WoodMart theme. Upload the theme files, and then click to Install Now button. Then click to activate. Now, carefully follow to my every steps, for successfully completed of this setup process. I have skipped the second step for security purpose, because of this step have putting the product purchase serial. If you want to use a child theme, simply select the child theme option and proceed with the installation. Now, click to next option. I'm an Elementor expert, so it's better for me to choose Elementor. However, you can also select WP Bakery Page Builder for customization if you prefer. Then, install each plugin one by one or simply click the Install All button to install them all at once. After completing this process, proceed to the next option. This step is very important. If you're starting a new business from scratch, you can select the Demo Import option. Otherwise, we'll need to figure out an alternative process. Because if you have an existing website and you import the demo, your current site data may be lost. So, please be careful before proceeding. Now, I'm selecting a demo theme and starting the import process. Please wait a moment while all the demo data, images, content, and other elements are being imported. Great! The demo data import process has been successfully completed. Now, you can visit your site and check out the updated look along with all the e-commerce functionalities in place. Awesome! The site looks great. Everything is neatly organized with categories and images. Now you can start updating the demo content and replace it with your original data. Enjoy customizing your store. Thank you to the WoodMart team for creating such an awesome theme. I've already worked on over 10 plus websites using WoodMart, and I must say, it's incredibly easy to use and has a very user-friendly structure. You can customize each and every section effortlessly with this theme. In the next video, I'll show you how to integrate a payment gateway with this theme. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to join our WordPress community. Thank you.